Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I am here to share the final results of my latest design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. And this was all made with Snippets of Love Paper Bits kit, and it is available in her shop. So this is the way that she looks all put together. I didn't do anything to the back, as you can see there. So we have goodies inside there. So what I'm going to do is take everything out of the inside, because actually this is on a tag on the inside, and let you guys see the outside of the bag, which I did complete here. So we have a vintage wedding applique here and some bling there that was in my stash. This is one of the words from the kit. And then I just put some little flat back pearls down through there. And a wedding applique here at the bottom. So that is our glassine bag. This in the bag is also from the kit. So there's that. And then inside the kit was in a previous video, is the two tags that we made together. So these are in her kit that you can print out just as they are. And we've got some wedding applique here, flat back pearls, and then the little lace dangle that we made there. So that is tucked in. And then we have our other card. This was just a vintage lace snippet that I found in my stash. So I just glued it to the top. You can raise it up and see the whole tag. And then some flat back pearls there. Roughed up the edges and did some inking with vintage photo. And this, guys, is the big tag. Now, this is actually a fold-out tag. Let me push that back some. This is a fold-out tag. Up here, I took some of the chiffon silk that I had and made a bow and put some bling here. Flat back pearls down the side. This right here is some lace and blush pink that I had in my stash. And that is actually a pocket, guys. So this is our tag. I decided to keep it the square shape instead of actually cutting it into your traditional tag shape, because I really like the square look. But this is another Sentiment Treasures from the kit. And again, just that lace pocket there. This is the card that I made. If you'll remember, when we were working on the bag here in the last video, we had some edges here and here to cut off. This is just a piece of those. And again, this is one of the tags and flat back pearls. A little bit of inking, and that's all I did with that tag. That actually just slides down into that pocket there. So that is the way that that looks. And this right here is also from the kit. So this little tag just goes in there. And now this, guys, I had showed you guys this, I believe, in the first video. So it may be a little iffy getting it off. We shall see. I kind of wanted it tighter, but I wanted to be able to just slide it off. This is just some bling that I had in my stash. And I just took a piece of, this is actually crinkled seam binding. And just ran it through. And tied a bow in the back. And it just slides on there to keep the tag closed. Because, guys, this is a tag that you actually open up. And this is the inside, so you have all this journaling space here. Just did some inking around. That's all I did on that. And then that is the back. And then we can bring this around and hopefully slide this back up in there. Let's take that out and see if this will work. It didn't go too great the first time I tried to do it, so let's see what we can do here. Yep, there we go. So that just slides back on there, like so. You can bring it above or below that treasured. I think it's actually gonna. And then just the bow on the back. And then we have this tag that just slides into that lace pocket there. All right, guys. So that is my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. I will make sure that all of her links are in the description box below, so you guys make sure to go and check out her shop. She is working on new digitals daily, guys, and they are absolutely amazing. So I do encourage you to go over and check her out. All right, guys, thank you all so much for your time. I love you all, and y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.